Welcome back to Internet Avail, whereby we get to give you tech solution each and every single day. And in today's video, we are going to look into how can you get to connect TikTok to Facebook in just very simple steps. First of all, before we get into that, if you do love my videos and find them valuable, just go ahead. You make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss these kind of videos each and every time I have a new upload. So first thing first, you will need to open your TikTok account. For my case, you can see this is my TikTok account. Let me just give it a few seconds as it opens. You can see what I need to do. I need to come to this section of I get to select the username. For my case, you can see I've already copied the username. So the other thing I need to do, I need to come to my Facebook application, and on my Facebook application I need to come to the menu section, and then you need to head to the profile section. So from here you're going to see a number of options, one of which you'll need now to come to the edit the public details. Let me just come to the edit profile, and then from here you're going to scroll down here until whereby you're going to see the link tab. So from here you need to click this add links, and you need to add the social media. For instance, I want to add a social media link. For my case, I'll just want to link my TikTok to Facebook, so I'll just go ahead and get to I need to first of all to choose the platform. For that case, you can join you can get to link any platform, but particularly for today we'll be linking TikTok to Facebook. So for that case we need to choose TikTok, and then from here I just need to paste the username which I just copied from TikTok. So from there, what's left for me is to just go ahead and click save. So that way I've already linked to my TikTok account. You can see right here, and that's how easy it is to just link your TikTok to Facebook group in just a few steps. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.